still got a little right in my plane. I have to hold left to get it to go straight. Ready?
China cleared.
Landing right!
Gear up.
Hopefully, landing right.
Nope, that didn't work. My gear are worse. My gear are worse. The things are hanging out.
Runway's clear!
Yeah, the gear's bad.
You bent the wire?
Yeah, it didn't work. No, I'm okay. It's just the just I've got gear doors hanging down.
Yeah, they're annoying.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Almost want to put a different type of spring on there.
Yep. Or just a different type of wire.
Say, yeah, you're right. I'm ready. God, I hate the gear now, though. Ugh. Okay. We gotta wait for them. They're cutting in. I had to wait for them. I didn't want to cut in front of them. Still cutting in front, so.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That worked.
That was good. High up.
Yeah, I gotta work on that gear.
Landing right. I'm landing. Okay. Are you landing? Yeah. Alright.
Stay high.
Go ahead.
I'll keep my throttle back and we'll be able to fly longer. Dude, this thing's a breeze.
30 seconds.
Oh shit. Okay, Nick, you're gonna have to clear the runway. At the very end of the runway.
10, 9,
I'm not worried about my timer because
7,
we're barely using any throttle.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Uh-oh.
1. Time expired.
23 volts.
Okay, we're good.
You should stay high till rank 9.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Clear. Oh, you pulled away.
I don't know how. I don't know how. Okay, everybody's in. We're good. Because you're taking off like a crazy man. Okay, let's go.
Low pass. Runway clear.
Now I'm ahead. My throttle's off.
Touch and goes then? One after the other?
You can, want to? Go. I'll peel off and get a little space, and then you go.
Touch and
Gear
go.
Just be sure to clear.
1 minute over. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Did you see that?
I heard it.
Gosh! Touch and go! Dude!
Having too much fun.
Did you see that one? The wheel didn't touch the ground.
Your nose wheel never touched. You sure to clear. Oh, that wasn't good. I gotta try that again.
Touch and go! Oh, you're not flying, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, did I cut you off? I just waited for this guy, so I don't know if you want to wait.
You guys landing or no?
We're doing touch and goes.
Alright. Should I take off real quick?
Hold on, he's coming. Can't get it to slow down. There we go, that's better.
Alright. Take it off after this.
I think we should stick together and do it together.
Okay.
Over.
Now, I'll be closest to us, you stay further away.
Stay further away.
Okay. I'll be good. Don't worry. You just stay on the far end, I'll stay on the right. Closest to us. Frank, you're enjoying yourself, huh?
Oh my word! This is fun. Touch and go. Keep going.
So this is where the nose heavy's taking over.
Can I take off?
Sure, go ahead.
That way. That was cool. I just saw you behind. I was like, "Whoop! I gotta get
Not
out
worried
of the
about
way."
it. No, I'm good. I see where you are. So they're coming in, so let's not do any more.
Alright.
Flaps up. Gear up.
I already sped up. I gotta get my CG further back.
Over.
It's a lot faster than you
Take it
because
off.
of
Yeah. Heading out.
that. Look out for the trainer.
Oh shit! I almost lost my plane.
Don't.
No, boys.
Hello, Joaquin. Whoa, shit. It's a B-17 up too.
Where are you, Ram?
Way out of everybody's way. I was making sure to clear everybody.
No, boss.
I'm right behind Frank.
Minute. Over.
Touching and going, touch and go, right to left.
Landing flaps.
I'm gonna be furthest out because I already cut. Okay. Okay.
Oh, what was that?
Okay, I'm landing from the right. Full stop.
Okay.
I hit a rotor or something. And it went whoa.
All right, taxiing back. I don't have telemetry, so I didn't know what my pack's at.
Flaps up.
Okay, roger.
Runway clear.
You got a nice spin?
It does.
Huh?
Got a nice spin?
Yeah, it works great.
And I totally messed up landing. Could have been way smoother.
I'm loving this thing.
Yeah, dude.
I just got to get that gear worked out.
And your CG back.
Yeah, I gotta move the CG back.
Where's your...
The batteries, yeah.
See it?
Yeah. Hold on.
Por favor.
Go ahead and open it.
Oh, yeah.
I can go way back.